What are the three biggest mistakes in running a new business? That's what we're going to talk about today. Small business owners, solopreneurs, you're starting a new business. What are the three biggest mistakes that you could do in running your business? We're going to talk about impatient, overspending, and not taking care of intellectual properties. Business tip number one. Most business owners, they start their small business. They don't realize the time it's going to take for them to be profitable. On average, it takes about 2 years. And most of us get impatient. We have this great idea. We put our business together. We throw up a website. Why aren't people lining up the door? Why am I not making $1 million? You have to be patient. Anything worthwhile takes work and time. And most of the time, as a small business owner that does web designs, I see solopreneurs all the time who run out of patience and they run out of money. But that's a whole nother story. Business tip number two, overspending. Overspending on things that you shouldn't be overspending on. You need to be frugal, especially in the first 2 years of your business. I see clients do it all the time where they spend money on this. They have this plush offices. They're on the 10th floor. They hire a bunch of people. They are spending money. You need a runway, which we've talked about in previous episodes. You need time to gather and get your business off the ground. Don't overspend initially. Take time, make wise decisions, invest, but focus on sales, and don't spend much money. Business tip number three. I see small business owners that have fabulous ideas that don't realize that there may be a legal requirement to protect some of the great ideas that you come up with, whether that be copywriting or trademarking. Authors do this all the time where they copyright their material. If you have a great idea, do realize that here in the 21st century, it's easy to take an idea, pivot from it, and steal it. I see it happen all the time in the web development business when I'm working with small business owners. Take an extra step, spend a little bit of money, get an attorney, and get those copyrights in place, intellectual properties covered, especially if it's a really good idea. People pivot and create copycat businesses all the time. So in review, we're going to be patient, we're not going to overspend, and we're certainly going to protect our intellectual property rights. That's what I'm learning this week. Anything I learn, I throw the fence to you because I want you guys to be awesome and not make these business mistakes. Now go back to sleep.